Once upon a time, in the year 1883, something extraordinary happened in a place called Krakatoa. Krakatoa was a volcano located in the Sunda Strait between the islands of Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. On August 27, an eruption unlike any other occurred, and it would change the world in ways people never imagined. Krakatoa's eruption was one of the loudest sounds ever heard on Earth. It was said that the explosion could be heard over 3,000 miles away, across the ocean, like a giant bomb. The skies lit up with bright flashes, clouds of smoke filled the air, and ash began to fall everywhere. But the story of Krakatoa wasn't just about noise and spectacle. The eruption sent massive waves across the oceans, known as tsunamis, that reached as far as South Africa. The skies turned dark as the ash floated in the atmosphere, coming back down to Earth like grey snow. So, what happened next? Well, the eruption had effects on the climate around the world. With all that ash in the air, sunlight struggled to break through, cooling parts of the Earth and creating colourful sunsets everywhere. It's said that the famous painting The Scream by Edvard Munch was inspired by the strange red skies. The eruption also affected people's lives and cultures. For example, farmers had trouble growing crops because the weather changed unexpectedly. Scientists studied this event carefully, which helped them understand the science behind volcanoes and weather patterns. The eruption of Krakatoa was a reminder of the incredible power of nature. It showed how connected we all are, as people across the world felt its impact. And even though it happened over 100 years ago, the story of Krakatoa still teaches us about our environment. It helps scientists as they explore more about Earth's dynamic weather. So, from a small island in Indonesia, Krakatoa became a big story, not just of a volcanic eruption, but also of the world's resilience. It's a tale that shows us the power of nature and how it can shape our planet and our lives.